Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to screen mirror your Google Pixel to your TV. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your Pixel screen to reveal your quick settings panel. This is where all your main toggles and shortcuts live, and it's the fastest way to access the screencasting feature you'll need for mirroring. Once the quick settings panel is open, look for the screencast icon among your available options. It usually looks like a small rectangle with Wi-Fi waves in the corner. Go ahead and tap on it to proceed. This icon is specifically designed to help you connect your phone's display to other screens wirelessly. Now you'll see a list of available devices that your Pixel can connect to. Look through this list and find the name of your TV. It should show up automatically if your TV supports screen mirroring and is on the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. Once you spot your TV's name, tap on it to initiate the connection. After selecting your TV, you'll notice a drop-down menu appears with two different casting options. You can choose between Cast One app or Cast Entire Screen. The first option lets you mirror just a specific app you're using, which can be useful for presentations or streaming a single video. The second option mirrors everything on your phone screen, including your home screen, notifications, and any app you open. For this tutorial, let's say you want to cast entire screen. This gives you the most flexibility since everything you do on your Pixel will appear on your TV in real time. Select this option from the drop-down menu. Next, you'll see a prompt asking you to confirm your choice. Simply tap Cast Screen to finalize the connection. Your phone will take a moment to establish the connection with your TV, and within seconds you should see your Pixel's display mirrored on your TV screen. And that's it. Your Google Pixel is now successfully mirrored to your TV, and you can enjoy your content on a much bigger screen. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.